Hello everyone, this is William Armstrong with a brief video about free download manager site redirected Linux users to malware for years. This article is on bleepingcomputer.com by Bill Toulas at 11:25 a.m. September 12th. A reported free download manager supply chain attack redirected Linux users to a malicious Debian package repository that installed information stealing malware. Yikes! The malware used in this campaign establishes a reverse shell to a C2 server and installs a bash stealer that collects user data and account credentials. Kaspersky discovered the potential supply chain compromise case while investigating suspicious domains, finding that the campaign has been underway for over 3 years. Although the cybersecurity company informed the software vendor about it, it has not received a response, so the exact means of compromise remains blurry. Bleeping Computer has also contacted the vendor of Free Download Manager for a comment, but we haven't heard back by publication time. Kaspersky, it says a direct downloads and redirections. Kaspersky says the official download page hosted on freedownloadmanager.org would sometimes redirect those attempting to download the Linux version to a malicious domain at deb.ftmpkg.org, which hosts malicious Debian package. When we click on the link, it takes us to virus total. And notice that Kaspersky and Zone Alarm by Checkpoint only detected only 2 antivirus engines out of 58 detect this file as malicious, and it's a deb file. So it's a Debian package file. Yikes. It says due to this redirection happening only in some cases and not all instances of attempted downloads from the official site, it is hypothesized that scripts targeted users with malicious downloads based on specific but unknown criteria. The redirection captured in a YouTube installation tutorial. Right there. Kaspersky observed the various posts on social media, Reddit, Stack Overflow, YouTube, and Unix Stack Exchange, where the malicious domain was disseminated as a reliable source for getting the free download manager tool. Furthermore, a post on the official free download manager website in 2021 illustrates how an infected user points out the malicious ftmpkg.org domain and was told it was not affiliated with the official project. On the same sites, users discussed problems with the software over the past 3 years, exchanging opinions about suspicious files and cron jobs it created, none realizing they were infected with malware. Oops! While Kaspersky states that this redirection stopped in 2022, old YouTube videos 1 and 2, right there in the brackets, clearly show download links on the official free download manager, redirecting some users to malicious http://deb.fdmpkg.org URL rather than freedownloadmanager.org. However, this redirection was not used for everyone, with another video from around the same time showing a user downloading the program from the official URL instead. The malicious deb package, which is used for installing software on Debian Linux distributions, includes Ubuntu and Ubuntu-based forks, drops a bash information stealing script in the cron D backdoor that establishes a reverse shell from the C2 server. The cron D component creates a new cron job on the system that runs a stealer script upon system startup. Kaspersky found that the cron D backdoor is a variant of the Bu malware in circulation since 2013, with the bash stealer spotted in the wild and analyzed as first in 2019. That said, the toolset isn't novel. The bash stealer version analyzed by Kaspersky collects system info, browsing history, passwords, Yikes saved in browsers, RMM authentication keys, shell history, cryptocurrency wallet data, and account credentials for AWS, Google Cloud, and Oracle Cloud infrastructure, and Azure Cloud services. The bash information stealing malware. This collected data is then uploaded to the attacker server where it can be used to conduct further attacks or to sold to other threat actors. If you have installed the Linux version of the free download manager between 2020 and 2022, you should check it to see the malicious version was installed. To do this, look for the following lines dropped by the malware and if found, delete them. etc.cron.dcollect var temp cron d and var temp /bs. Despite the age of malicious tools used in these attacks as signs of the suspicious activity on the infected computers and multiple social media reports, the malicious deb package remained undetected for years. Kaspersky says this is due to a combination of factors, including the rarity of malware on Linux and the limited spread due to only a portion of users being redirected to an unofficial URL. Oh, a Temu ad. So, long story short, Free Download Manager is a free download manager for Linux as well. But here it is. In this photo, the official website is freedownloadmanager.org in the browser, in the Firefox browser up top. But the redirection it's captured in the YouTube installation tutorial redirects this browser to connect to the https://deb.fdmvkg.org, which is the malicious deb file. Linux malware is pretty rare, but this is exactly what's happening, that someone has made a malicious free download manager in the form of a deb package file that infects Debian-based distributions including Ubuntu and Ubuntu-based derivatives and or Linux Mint or Debian GNU Linux spin-off distribution forks. So this particular package that's Debian-based can infect any Debian system deliberately. But the fact that Linux rarely has malware for it, Linux does have some malware that's few far in between, but not as common. But someone has made a Linux malware in the form of a deb package that's actually easily installed by redirecting to the malicious domain that contains a deb package that can infect systems that are Debian-based only. I'm not really sure if there is Linux malware in the form of an RPM package file for RPM distributions like Red Hat and Fedora, OpenSUSE, PC Linux OS, Mageia Linux, OpenMandriva, things like that. So this is William Armstrong signing out. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.